The pandemic has forever changed how we work, and providing our employees with the proper training is a critical step in our onboarding and retention efforts.
Whether your training is for SEO, WordPress, or social media, we customize your training to your unique needs so that your team has the confidence they need to succeed.
Even though I have experience in digital marketing from my previous job, Aaron and EG&A customized the training to accommodate my experience level and gave me tons of great new information.
As a small business, our employees wear multiple hats and have tight deadlines. Training with Emily Journey and Associates saves us time and money because we are no longer wasting hours on tasks that now take minutes.
I was excited to learn more about SEO and using WordPress. I feel a lot more comfortable about how SEO works, and I now know what I need to do to implement this into our marketing.
Here are the steps to get started. When you are ready, contact me and I will answer any questions you have about the program.